Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I have a few things from TEMU, a few more things from TEMU. I have several hauls and then I've backed off a little bit, but I do have some things still to show you and I won't bombard you with them. I'll, try to show it here and there. Smudge is sitting right here. Blue was here a minute ago. They may be back and forth and the train is going by again. I waited for the train and then I started to film and another one went by. Anyway, I have a just a disemboweled kind of a haul this time. It doesn't make sense what I have. It doesn't all go together or anything. But let's start off with this. This is something that the men in your life may like. I have had this kind of thing before, and they just get old. This. Let me show it to you. Let me see if it has a name. It's called a car seat gap filler. This was $1.99. I bought these off of Amazon in the past, and I think I had some fabric ones, and they just, after a while they get icky, and they're hard to clean after a while. This one is like, that PVU leather, so maybe it'll be easier to clean. But what you do with this is you put this over your seat belts, the little thing, it comes through here, and this goes between your seat and your whatever that, not the console, is the dashboard, right? Well, I don't know, maybe that's the console. The thing that you put your arm on, your armrest, and you can get one for you and one for the passenger as well. And it sticks in there. So if you are eating some French fries, they don't fall down there. Or you're looking at your cell phone and it falls, it hits this and it doesn't fall between the seats. Happens to me many times. So this was just $1.98 and I paid a lot more for them elsewhere in the past. So if something were to damage it or I couldn't get it clean, I'll just get another one. So that is just something that's nice for the car. I got a couple of things for the car. I got a sticker to put on my window in the back because I can't tell when I'm at Walmart or somewhere with a big parking lot. I can't find my car, because every car looks the same to me now. I used to be able to tell cars apart, but not anymore. So this will have an emblem on it that I'll be able to notice, hopefully. And this I bought, I just see that there's a sticker on here. Well, I'll wait to take that sticker off until, well, unless it's gonna, yeah, I can take that sticker off. That's nice to protect it. This is silicone. You can see the back of it. And it has an animal print in, what it looks like rhinestones, sapphires and diamonds, and it's just plastic. It's just, it's just part of the rubber. But this goes in your cup holder, and you can take them out and wash them off, which is the nice thing about them. So you put your Coke in there or your water or whatever, if it's ice cold or something, or even if it's real hot, it might cause condensation. This keeps your cup holders clean because you just take them out and rinse these off. They're easy to rinse off. Now this, I thought I was getting two of them because I bought one, but I thought that meant a set. So see, that's the thing about TEMU. You have to sort of be careful of what you're doing. I bought a blouse. It was $4.28 or something like that, and I ended up with two of them. My fault, because I don't know how I got two in the cart, but I did. So you just have to be careful and before you check out, look at your cart. So, but I thought this was really cute. This is $1.78. I do have other things like this. So, but I just, I liked it because, it's blingy. I like some bling in the car. And they have all kinds. They have things that men would like, that your teenagers would like, that women would like. They have all kinds. And you just rinse it, because that silicone, all you have to do is rinse it off to clean it. Real easy to do. And while we're on that subject, I got these for 78 cents. I think there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This came in a pack of 6, 15, or 24. 78 cents for this one. And they're just, they'll have a sticky on the back, and then they're like a rubber. So you can put them under like a piece of furniture or a chair or something, so they won't scratch your floor. So I just thought these are good to have. I do have something in mind, but I'll probably I have a chair that I'll need four, but the 6-pack I think was almost the price as the 15, so I'll just keep them for future. They don't, again, these kinds of things don't last forever. So, you know, and I saw this on Reviews with Sue, and I love these things. This is, we don't need this. I don't need this. I've got so many things I could carry in, but this was 98 cents. It's just a carry case, and it holds the toothpicks that I love. Let me, there, okay, it snaps open, and then it has these, there's 10 in there, and I buy these things all the time, and I love them. It's a little floss. It's a stick. You can use one end to pick up, and then one is your floss. So I use these all the time, and just this I can carry right in my bag. Easy to take with me. I like to have these in case something gets stuck, because when you have a lot of dental work, which I do, it's good to have those. It's just, you know, it's good to have them. So I got that because it was a carry. But like I said, these are, a lot of these things are just things we don't need, but I wanted them. So something that you also do, you have to be careful of is sizing. Okay, so y'all, I don't know if you remember, but on my very first TEMU haul, I got a, what they call a pet bed. And it's a blanket that's squared off, you know, and it ended up, it's quite big. It fits on I have an ottoman, and it fits on the ottoman. Well, the boys love it. They wouldn't, for the first day or two, they wouldn't come off of it. So I wanted, the reason I bought that was to put it in their kennel carry case when I take them to the vet. So I got some, they have all kinds. This was small, medium, and large, they said the measurements, and I did like this with my hands instead of taking a ruler. So this is what I got. I got the small one because I thought it would be the perfect size for the little kennel. This I am going to put in there, but it's a little small. Probably the medium would have been better. The large is too big. So, but the large I could probably fold in half. But this is just nice. It's cushioned. You can throw this in the wash. It's like a stuffed animal material. And then the back is just white on this one. And you see how it's stitched. So it's a little bed. You know, you can put it on a chair, on a box, on their bed. If you have a bed for them and it's getting worn out, you could, you know, throw this on. This was $2.89. I do wish it was a little bit bigger, but again, my fault because I'm not real good with the measurements. So let's see what else I got. I got all kinds of stuff. I'm not going to show you absolutely everything, but I thought I'd show you a few fun things. This I got. I love this kind of thing. I have several of these, and they're just wonderful to have. This was such a good price, y'all. This was $1.28. Came in different colors. Look how this is. This is silicone here, so it can go into hot temperatures. And this one, what you do, you can hang it also, push it in to open it. Oops, there you go. And then when you want to put it back, after you wash it and everything, you want to put it back in your drawer so that it's not taking up all this space. You squeeze it together and then pull this out, and it'll stay that way. So I just thought that was cute for $1.28, because these are, if you buy these anywhere else, they're going to be a lot more than $1.28. I know because I have them. So it's just expensive. On the other hand, they also, as I'm looking at kitchen things, and they, you know, they pop stuff up on your screen, and they had these beautiful spatulas. And I have a bunch of spatulas, but who doesn't need more spatulas? So it was 78 cents. I'm like, 78 cents, I'll take it because it's a silicone spatula. Well, okay, so I didn't take it out of the wrapping yet because I may not use it. See the size of it? Now, can you see it's small? They do have bigger sizes, but this particular one is small. It did look in the picture like a regular size spatula. So again, my fault for not looking at measurements, and I'm just really bad at that, y'all. But this is very nice. It's a very nice shape. You see how it's rounded here. This would be great like in the mayonnaise jar to get the last of that out. And you could use this to frost a cake. So many things you can do with this smaller one. So it will come in handy. It's just that I have so many that I'm not going to use it right now. So I just want to show you that. And this I love. Let me find how much this was. Did I tell you how much the spatula? Yeah, I did. This one, I just thought this is really cute. I use this kind of thing all the time. Okay, this was $2.89. This is stainless steel, so it's gonna last forever. And it's got a little bit of a weight to the handle, and it's like a little butter, you know, so on your toast, you put your butter and then your jelly or your peanut butter. It's just for spreading. I like to sometimes in the evenings, I'll have crackers and cheese. And this is a nice size. It's not it's not as big as a big butter knife. So it's nice and small, and you put your cheese on your crackers, and I thought that was just adorable and well worth the $2.89. And then I did get taken in by something, because that's what I do. I think we all do. But this was, I've seen it. I've seen people get it. T from Tea Times Adventures got a few of these. And when I was shopping, this popped up, and it was like half price on sale. So it was 84 cents. And this is just plastic. And what it's made for is for, you know, the pot stickers, the dumplings, the Asian dumplings, and then you put your sauce in here. So you pick up a dumpling and dip it in your sauce like that. So it's a little snack tray. So you can put some chips in here with some dip in here. You can do your fries and ketchup. You can do all kinds of things. This is great for a child, because it's just different, and kids like to eat off of different things. But 84 cents, I thought that'd be cute to have in the house. I just like it. So, and it did come in different colors. I chose the white. So, and then also I got these, because another thing I've been seeing on everybody's channels, there's so many TEMU hauls, things that I really enjoy. These I saw, again, Sue from Reviews with Sue had these. These were 48 cents, y'all. Now, I will say, when you go in, if you just like, oh, I got to get those, they're 48 cents. You may not find them for 48 cents. You've got to look around. You've got to scroll and all. These are gloves for washing dishes. Because I wear press-on nails, I do like this kind of thing. So I have some right now, but these are, they came in different colors. I got the pink, 48 cents. And what's nice about these is this is like probably your typical size is to here. This is a little bit longer. So say, you know, the company is almost here and you just want to rinse off a few things, and you have on your Christmas dress, let's just say, for example, and you don't want to get your arms splattered, or you don't want to take your long sleeve blouse or dress off to finish up the dishes right quick before the company rings the doorbell. This goes up your arm so that it'll keep you from getting wet. I think that is really cool. And 48 cents. And I have a big hand, and these fit me, no problem. I don't think they came in sizes. I really don't remember, but they're just adorable. So I like those a lot. And I think we might be getting near the end here. Okay, I have these. This box was completely crushed. What I got were bags. You know, the orange bags. So this box was just crushed down, but everything appears to be okay in here. These are some of my favorite things, y'all. Let me find the price. This was $5.38, and there are 10. These are the masks, the steam eye masks. So they're paper. They're not going to get ruined. If you can see, they have a cute little bear design with some strawberries on it. They're just cute. And but for $5.38, that's a good price. When you open this package, the eye mask starts to heat up and steam. So this is for if you need help falling asleep. It goes on your eyes. I've demonstrated these before. It goes on your eyes, and it has little loops that go behind your ears. Men and women can use these. Children can use these. There's no medication in them or anything. Some are scented with lavender or different things. Some are like lemon, things like that, to perk you up or to help you sleep. Also, these are fantastic if you have a headache. They really help me if you have a headache. These are, it just says warm and comfortable in English, steam mask in English. The rest is in Chinese. So if you are following my treasure trove, that will be a bonus in the treasure trove if you'd like that. And then I'm thinking I'm getting near the end here. I have a couple of pieces of jewelry. let me find those on my list here. I just have so much stuff, y'all. I really got too much. But you know, it's fun. So am I not seeing the jewelry now? Well, yeah, I'm not. Oh, did I show you? Did I show you I got a scissor? I got this scissor. It's still in the package. I haven't opened it yet. It says office scissors. It's rust resistant, labor saving, and durable. Cutting paper is sharper. The sharp cutting blade makes you unstoppable. It says Teflon anti-rust, premium office scissors. And it came in different colors, and this was $1.99. And I am not seeing my, oh, also my little welcome sign right here. This was $1.29. Y'all, that's just a piece of board like you get at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So that I paid the same as the Dollar Tree. I'm not seeing my jewelry on here. They might have been in a different order. I thought I had everything pulled aside, but I don't see it. But I will tell you this, that the jewelry they have all kinds of jewelry. They have higher priced jewelry. They have lower priced jewelry. I get the cheap stuff. This was right after St. Patrick's Day. So I got these there. I'm sure it was like $1.78. They're just, I have something now to wear on St. Patrick's Day. Can you see this? It's I might be holding it too close. They are 4-leaf clovers, gold, emerald, diamond. Of course, you know, fake, but they're in gold, and they are this, like, what are they? Oh, I'm not sure about that hook now that I'm seeing it. Oh yeah, it's this kind. It goes like this, and then it closes, and they're just really cute little shamrocks. So, and then I also got another pair of earrings, and these are just like a purple stone, and they're just a nice same backing, and then they're just a nice plain purple stone. So I like that. So that's what I got in this haul, y'all. I have more to show you, like I said, but this was just some fun stuff to show you, and hope you all like it. This is from TEMU as well. I have my earrings that I have on. I got from TEMU as well. These I think were $1.78. So they have some fun stuff, y'all. So thanks for stopping by to see what I got, and I hope you have a great day, and count your blessings, y'all. Take care and welcome. You're always welcome here. Bye-bye.